Today we will make delicious potato and semolina donuts snack. We took 3 potatoes, peeled them and washed them well. We have taken cold water in a vessel. Now we will grate the potato in this water. Potatoes are grated. A pan has been taken. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons oil in it. The oil is heated. Now add a tablespoon of sesame seeds in it. Add a finely chopped green chili. Add a spoonful of red chili flakes and cook for a minute. Now we will add a cup of water to it. Add salt 1/3 tablespoon and mix well. Now add the grated potatoes in it. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and add a cup of water to it. Now add a cup of semolina in it. After adding semolina, cook it until the water dries up. Coriander leaves. After adding coriander, mix it well and keep it covered for 5 to 8 minutes. The mixture is slightly warm. Now apply oil on the hands. And we'll make donuts with small balls. Now donuts are ready. The oil is medium hot. Now add the donuts and fry them. Donuts are fried. Now take them out. The donuts are ready, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Enjoy delicious semolina and potato donut snacks. If you like our recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Shumaila Food Secret.